In this video, we will study some contrasts, just so you can get an idea. Okay, let's look at these works of art. Do they have a stark contrast or a minimal, minor difference in contrast? I think this one, yes, very stark contrast. Now the reason why I think this one does not have very stark contrast. Okay, how about this one? Does this one have minor differences or a stark contrast, black and white? This one, yes, I think lots of contrast, yeah. How can you be wrong again? Now this one does have some contrast because his hair is very dark, but that doesn't mean that this is a portrait with the intention of creating stark contrast. Okay, what about this one? Does this one have stark contrast or not? This one, not so much. No. Do you not understand the meaning of this? This image seems to have a lot of contrast, and the reason why I say that is because if you squint your eyes, you can see the whites stand out very much against the background. Here they made it a little lighter. Okay, what about this one? You cannot go wrong on this one. This one is easy. No, this one does not have it. I want to rip out my mustache. And so I think the intention of this artist was to really portray, make this image, this figure stand out, and especially the dress here. And I think the artist succeeded in that. No, I don't think this is a good one for contrast. No, this one only has a little contrast. Get him out of here! I am losing my patience!